In your old-fashioned glass, combine a sugar cube, a dash of hella bitter aromatic, and a dash of hella bitter citrus. Add a few drops of water. Muddle thoroughly with a stainless steel outset muddler. Don't worry, my little buttercup. This drink is for me. We'll make you a drink later. Drop in the 2.5-inch sphere ice cube from the Tavolo ice sphere mold. Pour 2 ounces of rye whiskey over the ice. Peel an orange twist over the glass with the garnishing tool. Thanks for your patience, my little buttercup. And finally, drink like a man.